And sun. This warmer weather has us all heading outside more, but the change of season rather, brings a new set of health concerns. WCBI's Victoria Bailey joining us in the studio with what you need to know to enjoy the great outdoors and stay healthy during spring and summer. Victoria.
That's right, Andrea. I talked with some healthcare professionals today at a health fair in Starkville and got some good advice on ways to take better care of our bodies as the temperature continues to rise.
The spring and summer months can be a beautiful time of year, but it also brings a new set of health issues for people, some of which you may not see as a concern till it bites you.
Of course, when the weather warms up and the sun comes out, the snakes start moving. And so if you are working outside around your yard, keep your eyes open, especially if you're picking up debris and cleaning up around your house. Under stuff is where you'll find the snakes. And so use a implement like a hoe or a rake or something like that to turn over debris piles. Don't just reach under there with your hands.
Jed Dindy works with L&L Lawn Care. He says he is extra careful during this time of year when he's on the job.
You have to pay attention to how you pick up stuff and how you move it and what's under it and what's around it. Need to wear gloves, sunscreen, long sleeve shirts if you can.
Dr. Everett McKeeben is a family practice physician in Starkville, and he says warmer weather requires special care for your body.
But overheating and dehydration is very, very common in the early part of the summer because the body, you've been inside for the winter time and you haven't been perspiring much. And a lot of people really get dehydrated and overheated those first few weeks of extremely hot weather. By the end of the summer, the body is usually equilibrated or adjusted, but it's the first half of the summer is very dangerous.
Ophthalmologist Dr. George Walker says there are some concerns that you can't really combat this time of year.
Most of the time in spring, people who are allergic have pollen irritants that cause redness of the eyes and watering of the eyes and that sort of symptoms. Pollen is such small particulate matter that there's not much way you can reasonably protect yourself against it.
Now, the spring season began March 20th and will conclude June 20th. Andrea?